Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to English class. Today, we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 3, Sounds of Vowel A. Bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, can, fan, pan, men, van, at, rat, a rat, an, van, a van, at, hat, a hat, an, man, a man, and fan, a fan, and pan, a pan, at, mat, a mat, at, cat, a cat. Phonic drill. No more words with A sound. Phonic drill. No more words with A sound. Add. Pat, hat, dad, bat, lad, sad. Ag. Bag, wag, gag, lag, rag, tag. An, tan, fan, van, can, pan, ran. App, nap, gap, tap, map, lap, cap. At, cat, rat, mat, bat, hat, fat. Students, this is the picture of hat. This is the picture of bag. This is the picture of van. Let us learn. Pam and his cat. Pam has a cat. He loves his cat. They sat on a mat. The cat is fat. They had a chat. Tam and the bag. Tam is a lad. He is fat. He sat on the mat. Tam had a bag. He ran to the tap with the bag. Let's do the exercise. Read and write. 1. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing vowels. 1 has been done for you. This is the picture of car. C-A-R. This is the picture of map. M-A-P. Map. This is the picture of hat. H-A-T. Hat. This is the picture of fan. F-A-N. Fan. This is the picture of mat. M-A-T. Mat. This is the picture of jam. J jam, jam. Question 2. With the help of the words given below, write 2A sound words under each column. Here's a help box. An. The words with an: can, man. The words with app: cap, tap. The words with add: lad, mad. The words with at: bat, rat. For the teacher, ask the children to recognize more words with A sound. Let children open the mouth wide for the A sound. I hope you enjoy learning.